In this part, we are going to learn about another type of loop in C, which is called the do-while loop. Okay, this loop is special because it executes at least once, no matter what the condition is. Okay, so let us take a look at the syntax of the do-while loop. Okay, so the general syntax of the do-while loop is like this. Okay, so let me show you something. I'm in VS Code. So do-while loop. It looks like this. Okay, so this one we say that it runs at least once. So it means that this condition first run. Okay, before checking this code, first run before checking this condition. Okay, so it starts like this. We use the do keyword and then a pair of parentheses, which is going to help us put our code. Okay, put our code in code scope. Okay, so here the code inside here is going to be to run first. Okay, so after running, then we are going to go here and then we check the condition. If it is true, we are going to continue. Okay, this code is going to run again. Okay, if it is false, then this code is not going to run the second time. Okay, so let us take a look at this one. Let us print f hello, like that. So let us add, then the condition we are going to add here, it's going to be false. Okay, so let us add false. Okay, because false is 0. Okay, false is the same as 0. You can use the standard bool library like this, stdbool, if you don't want stdbool, if you don't want to use these numbers. Okay, you can come here and then you use Ctrl+Z. You can come here and then you use the false keyword, okay, which is the same as 0. Okay, so if we save and then we run, we say that, oh, Ctrl+Z, I'm running the last part. So CRC. So I'm going to compile my code. So after compiling, then I'm going to run /home, as you can see. So this one has run once. Okay, it has run once, even if this condition is false. Okay, so if it is true, then we are going to go into an endless loop. So instead of using true, you can use a 1. Okay, you can use 1 if you don't want to use the standard bool library. So if we do that and then we compile, as you can see, we get an endless loop. Okay, because this condition is going to be checked again and again when it is true, and it means this code is going to run more than one time. Okay, so if you want to reduce this one, you can run true, and after there you can just let us run, instead of using true, let us create a variable here and let us name it int age. Let us set it to be like 5 age, and then the condition here which we want to return a true or false, let us check for age if it is less than or equals to 5. Okay, so if it is less than or equal to 5, then this one is going to run the next time. Okay, so if we would save and then we compile and then run, which means it is going to run, oh, it is running multiple times. Ctrl+C. Yes, it is running multiple times because the age is still 5, which means this condition is still true. So to reduce this one, to reduce that one, we are going to come here and then we increment our age. So we get the age because we are checking if it is less than. So if we add a 1 to 5, we are going to get 6, which means this condition is no longer going to be true. It's going to be false. Okay, so which means it is going to run only one time. Okay, this code is going to run only one time. So if we compare, as you can see, it has only run once. Okay, so that is it about loops. That's it about the do while loop. Exactly, that is it about the